grew up in Sheffield in the north of England, and Sheffield's got an amazing electronic music heritage from the 80s, and that's when I fell in love with synthesis and making sounds, because the tactile control, being able to twizzle a knob around a little bit and make these amazingly futuristic sounds. I can't think of anything worse than trawling through presets. You know, for me, making a sound from scratch from a synthesizer is the joy of making music. Hi, I'm D.Ramirez. Welcome to my studio for a brand new course for the Toolroom Academy and FaderPro. So what we're going to get out of this course is the ability to be able to look at a synth, not only know how it works, but how to be able to program that synth to make the exact sound that we want. Once you understand how a synth works, you can then sort of take a look at another synth and see that same sort of structure there. We can then look at all of these synths, be it third party, be it native, and we can impart that knowledge onto any of those synths. We can use this randomize feature here, which is amazing. If we set that to 100%, you'll get 100% random sound when I press this button. And I've had endless effects out of this thing just by merely pressing the random button. Never has it been so easy these days to make music. You've got the sounds already created for you. You've got the sample packs aplenty. You can even buy templates now that have got all of the sounds built in. The fact that it's actually really easy means that everybody can do it. So how are you going to stand out in this world where every producer's got every single tool available to them and we can all sound the same? And that's the thing. This is where you can learn how to impart your own personality and your own unique signature into your tracks that nobody else has got. So people listen to your music and go, what the hell is that? How did he make that? That's just amazing. Move it, rock it, move it.